Hi there, please follow these simple steps to help you start budgeting. Step 1 is to go to the Annual Totals tab and add your income name, bills, subscriptions, expenses, savings, and debts, and it will adjust in the 12 monthly budget tabs automatically because these names will be linked to each monthly tab named Jan, February, etc. And the next step is to go to the Monthly Budget tab and select Start Day. Your balance overview will start that day. Add your income name, payday, expected, and actual amount. And then add the budget name, due date, and expected amount. Scroll down to the transaction tracker. Add transactions for bills, expenses, savings, and debt. Remember, once you add transactions, don't change the budget names. Otherwise, the transactions will no longer be synchronized. You can change the order if you keep the same name for each budget. And the next step is to go to the Syncing Funds tab, then add your sinking funds name, goals, monthly amount, and start. The Start column represents the amount you already have. And the second last step is to go to the Debt Snowball Calculator tab. Then add the starting date, an extra payment at the beginning, and an extra payment monthly. In the Debts Overview section, add your debt name, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. The balance represents the amount that you must pay. Remember to start with your easiest to pay debt first. If you're not used to this snowball concept, please also do your own research until you fully understand it. And the last step is to go to the Net Worth dashboard. Set your net worth goal and start tracking your assets and liabilities. If any help is needed, I'm just a message away. I'll reply as soon as possible. Happy budgeting!